KZN Police Commissioner mkhwanazi has indicated that there are big issues within police, that people are being protected, high-ranking officials are being protected, politicians are being protected. As the ANC, what do you have to say in response to this?
We have issued a brief statement. These are grave accusations by a police commissioner, which borders on lawlessness, and the state of our law enforcement agencies is worrisome, and we have full confidence that the president will deal with these matters with all the powers vested in him. The police force can't communicate things of this nature. We put a blind eye to that, but over and above that, some of these issues must actually be investigated, but also all protocols of the state must be observed. Okay. And that's what we would like to see as the African National Congress.
Why do you say it's lawlessness?
It borders on lawlessness and a banana republic, that a high-ranking police commissioner can basically go to television and make a disparaging and grave accusations and allegations in the way we have learned about them. And it borders on lawlessness and banana republic, because at the end of the day, we've got to do something about those things. And also the protocol and the discipline of the police command and control is very important. I was a minister of police. I worked very well with the police, and I know protocols of the police, but I'm not about to talk about my own personal experience. Let's deal with the principle. The principle is that the head of state and our president will deal with this matter. That is what, as the ANC, would like to see.
Okay, what is the ANC going to do about the allegations made against Senzo Mchunu? He is an ANC member.
He's a minister.
But he's an ANC member.
He's a minister deployed by the ANC. He is governed by the executive code, and he reports to the president. It is fair that we call on, not even calling, defer to the president to deal with the matter. I am confident, we are confident as the ANC, that the president will deal with the issue. It's not the ANC that is in the dock. When a member of the ANC is given a responsibility in the highest office and honor, like the police, and is facing this sort of accusations, the immediate authority is the president.